Dave.
This is Luella.
And this is our negosyo. Namigit. Maayong aga. Welcome to Cansi. I'm a licensed teacher and I'm also a programmer. So, and somehow, some way, I ended up cooking. So, layo kayo sa akong na-eskwelahan. I was previously a part of the call center industry. I've worked with a lot of call centers for almost 15 years. I've been a supervisor to some company and a sales agent and right now, this is another chapter in our life wherein we are introducing a new and refreshing food to a lot of Cebuanos in Cebu, and this is what we were able to come up with, which is Cansi, and we want to share this to everyone.
I started actually working in a private company. It's actually an IT industry company. And then I've been in my company for 13 years. Well, actually, I just resigned just last year as a sales because I want to focus in the business because I believe na way back 2017, there was no focus sa Cansi, and then that's the possible reason why it was not clicked during that time. So when the pandemic hits and then, fortunately the business clicked during the pandemic, I decided to quit my job and focus on the business.
Sa Negosyo kami nagdako actually. We transferred to Cebu and we've been here for almost 15 years. Sakto ba? Or more than 15 years, as a matter of fact. So, quite good min sa Negros. If you talk about among roots, Negros good min nagdako og nabata. Cansi is actually a very unique food because it's like a fusion or a mix of two Filipino favorites, sinigang and bulalo. Combine siya, and the best of both worlds are being served in one dish, which is Cansi. What makes it unique, not just in Cebu, but all parts of anywhere in the Philippines, wherever you see Cansi, it should have the main ingredient, which is batuan. It is what makes it unique. It's a fruit. It's familiar sa guava, ma'am. It's a fruit that's mildly sour in taste, and mo na mo gamiton. If you are in Ilonggo, this is one of your go-to ingredients.
Well, I can say number one siguro comfort food sa mga Ilonggo, especially na it is combination of bulalo and sinigang. So it's unique ba, quite unique gid siya. Actually, that is the favorite of my husband way back when he was studying in Bacolod. That is also the reason why he decided to introduce this.
We are getting our batuan fruits from Negros. If usay wala Negros, we tap to some parts, Iloilo, but layo na kayo. But most of the time, we're getting it from Negros. So, we've been looking for this sa Cebu for over 10 years. Wala good, ma'am. That's the reason why kami na good nagkuan na we are getting our shipments weekly just to serve the food that is the best of what Ilonggo cooking has to offer in Cebu. Cole's Cansi, nagtrabaho mo ko sa una. I've been part of the workforce for a number of years. And we have decided na why not we venture out and make our own, which is amo ang negosyo. Among ginunaan na the best business that you can be in is kung asa ka passionate. Yeah, we're very passionate about food, passionate about not cooking, yeah, part of it, but really ang food good, tigkaon good me. So we've decided to go into this business. And niya magipili kay mong paborito. And we've named it after our son, Cole. Bago po siya panganak, mga 2017. So we've named it after him as our inspiration to go beyond what we are used to. Nasa trabaho lang, we want to go beyond that. We want to do more, so much more. Wala mong giname as an inspiration. And we started 2017, but unfortunately, wala mi ka-focus og tarong sa amo ang negosyo because we do have other businesses as well that we were managing at that time. And also my wife is working. So wala gyud mi ka-tarong og focus. And most of the time, dili gud siya kanang wala gud siya tarong og introduce ba sa Cebu. When the pandemic hit, and it came, na-trap me, kanang wala gyud tanan, you can't go to other islands, you can't go to Negros, we can't go home. Our business there, we can't handle it anymore, so we've given up on those. And we were left with only this sa Cebu.
During the pandemic, normally magsige lang may kahigda unsa na pud lutuon nato o mag-bake na pud ta. Na busy kog pamalitay sa kung unsay lutuon na pud namo sud ano na pud namo. And then here comes na nagsige mig tan-aw online, daghang kayog na maligya. And then, so they've decided na, why not ibaligya po na to ang Cansi? We try ba? Basin pa lang dahil mo click ba? Since daghan makayag mga food offerings, especially mga new foods, ana, since we also have stock pa man sa Batuan. And then, so mo to, sige, try daw na to, be. So, we posted it. So, when we posted it, daghan actually nag-inquire, especially those Ilonggos. Kay, di ba during the pandemic, most of the people are just using kanang mobiles, laptops, kay wala naman kayo lingaw. So, fortunately, daghang kayong ni-order actually sa katong pag-post. So, that's when we decided na why not we cook it twice a week, thrice a week, and then until na every day.
We poured our souls, our efforts, everything into this. Bisag ano say what among nabili na finances na gamay ba? We've gambled everything into this, and this is what, and we're very happy that it paid off. And in the most unexpected time, which is the pandemic. Cooking it is very, very easy. Sayo na siya lutoon. The preparation side of it is muy kanang trabahoso kayo. Kay imo pang hugasan ng karne. And normally we cook most of the time 50 to 70 or 50 kilos to 60 kilos a day. Una po yung times ato na kanang nagluto mi og more than 100 kilos in one day. So mura kag nagpaligog usa ka baka na gamay. If you look at it that way. So murag imong hugasan niya, the preparation side of it, mga lamas, mga kuan, and cooking it imo pang the way we cook it, we're cooking it Ilonggo style. Kaya naman po ilaing style mo ba na kanang ihulog lang tanan na mga ingredients, mga batuan, mga kuan, they're just putting everything sa soup. Kami, we are doing it sa traditional way good of Ilonggo cooking, which is gisahon gyud nimo. You put the meat, you put the onions, kanang mga tomatoes, kanang mga basic ingredients para gisa. And we are kanang amo gyud siyang ikuan gyud na makuha gyud ang kanang moisture or water sa meat gani. And that's the time that among timplahon. So we don't do shortcuts. So we do it traditionally, we do it slowly. We're slow cooking it for 5 to 6 hours almost, depende sa meat. So that's how long it would take. Totally honest with you, I'm more passionate about eating. Kaon good. In Negros, I have a lot of cousins na maayo maluto. Actually, most of the time, I'm asking them for advice. Unsaon ni siya, unsa pag-prepare. And ako, mukaon ako kay lami mas lang maluto. Sakto ko mukaon, wala ko ibuhaton. But when we came to Cebu, kami ramay na adere. So we were longing for those kind of nga mga luto gani sa among family, sa among mga cousins, sa among mga friends. So we had really no choice. We know the taste, we know how it should be like, we know how to prepare it. Amo lang jud giluto pod, and that's the reason why. And after this, we fell in love with the whole process. Actually, we fell in love with the taste. Really, that's what keeps us going. So, mao gid siya. We want this to be shared to everyone. That's the main reason why we keep on doing this and we keep on pushing this. Kaya makadala mo gud siya kalipay sa tawo.
Well, for the first timers, ilang reaction gid is, well, may sila nga nung karon pa man mi nakatilaw ani, or may nga na jud ba. And then they're actually asking us sa ingredients ani murag lagi glami, murag unique gid siya ihang taste. Actually for mga Ilonggos, every time makaibaw sila nga na considering nga using batuan, ma-excite sila. I think so far wala man sad kayo may na-disappoint na Ilonggos when they taste it, because we are actually using batuan gyud, which is authentic, what makes it authentic.
The secret, I think, is nga nung lami ang pagkaon is the people behind it. Me, my wife, our parents, everyone is very supportive. Our friends, everyone is very supportive. So, mao siguro na ang sekreto nga nung everyday ma-challenge me nga we need to deliver ka ng lami gyud, because everyone is expecting na lami ang ilang makaon. So we don't want to disappoint. We want to deliver it every day, so we're always raising the bar. If na mo complain na ay kulang og aslong or kulang og kuan, we get those feedbacks. Kay importante man gyud na feedback, and we compile it, and amo na pangitan ka ng middle gani na yan na not to sour for some and not to kanang kuan for other people, mag tunga gani to cater to everyone na kuan. That's the reason probably why anong murag ganan ang most of them ganan sa Cansi.
My primary role yun actually in which I'm actually kind of happy na based on my experience no, since sales magyud ko for more than 10 years. So apparently na-apply gid siya nako by doing the sales, promoting it, handling customers, especially those if na ay mga complaints or if na ay problems. Well, fortunately I can handle it because of my experience sa ako ang corporate na company before. Well, one of the reasons why we decided, the main actually reason is because our customers is actually asking for a physical store. They want actually to taste the Cansi na gikan dyan sa store nga, kada ganang init pa siya. And then they want to have sad na store wherein they can just pick up and then kanang dool nila actually.
The business advice that I can share is we this is not our first business. We do have other business as well, and we failed enormously multiple times. Sige, may mahurot ang finances, usay maglibog ng may unsay next month unsay may tabo. You just keep on pushing. Wala jud hunong. Kanang you move on, look for inspiration, trust always in the Lord. Mao gid na, He will provide, and mao gid, just keep on pushing. You'll never know when you'll stumble into something that would work for you. So mao gid, push. Mataragid mo butang usahay mo amigo na mga tanong, what's your secret? Mataragid, paligo ra gid mo buntag, or jud. Paligo lang kay when you makaligo ka, you can do a lot more things that day. Mataragid paligo niya, you can do so much more compared mag sige kag higda. So mo na siya. Just keep on moving. Very simple.
Ito ang sabaw! Namit gid! Thank you very much, Coach Cansi. This is my favorite dish right now. And it's eating time. Guys, please join me. Ma'am Luella, Sir Dave, thank you again. God bless. I will share this with my friends and family. They're definitely gonna enjoy it.